Hello guys, I want to talk about a system that pays you $2 to $4 per lead. It's called Joomla Evolve. Every person that obtains as a free member, you get paid $2 to $4 per lead, per free lead. So let's head over to my affiliate panel. So let's go to all commissions. So these are the commissions that I have generated from this company. For every person that opt in with the system. So let me tell you, you get $4 for English speaking countries and $2 for non-speaking English countries. So I've got a lot of commissions from non-speaking English countries. So as you can see right here, $2 from Italy, $2 from Moldova, from Romania, and there is hundreds of commissions that I have received with this system. I'm from my cell phone right now, so it's kind of hard to show you that. So you see the commission from France, again Romania. So it's very simple, guys. You earn commissions, $2 to $4 commissions from each person that opts-ins and activates their account. So all of these are approved commissions that I have received. Let's head over to my history of payouts. So here you can see another $4 commissions. This is the history of payouts to me. As you can see here, $333. That's my first payment. The second payment was $583. And the third payment was $656. So the total amount is $1,571. These are all commissions. So all those commissions is here. So I received all these commissions. So let me tell you guys, if you want to make money with this, with the Joomla Evolve CPA program, you must become an elite member. So after you become an elite member, you will have access to your affiliate panel, like which I have right now. And you will be able to promote the link to promote Joomla Evolve. So for every person that you refer, you will receive $2 to $4 commissions. So, and also if that person which you referred upgrades, you will receive, upgrades, becomes an elite, you will receive $30 commissions for that person. So isn't that amazing? Let me show you the $30 commissions for a person that upgraded as an elite member. Let me show you. So these are my pending commissions right now. So it will be paid the next month. Alright guys, so as you can see, I received $30 commissions from somebody joining under me, upgrading as a elite member, so they could start earn money like me, like I do. You also can earn $30 commissions. You can earn $2 commission or $4 commission, and also $30 commission for the same person that upgrades. And also if that person brings people to this program, and the people that are upgrading are under your person, they will receive $30 commissions, and also you will receive $30 commissions. So isn't that amazing, guys? When you will be inside, you will be amazed how this program works, and it's awesome. It just got updated, so it's called Joomla Evolve, and it's awesome, guys. They really pay. Let me go to my PayPal account. Let's scroll down to my first payment. So here we go. Joomla money received. So they Joomla sent me money. This person right here is the founder of Joomla. His name is Reno, and he sent me my commissions. He paid my commissions. As you can see, everything is real and legit. Let's go to my second payment. So this is my second payment right here. Money received, transaction type money received. So I received my money. I was very happy about it. Like I have no words, guys. This really pays. So here we go. This is my third payment. So I want to tell you guys, this is worth doing it. You'll earn commissions on daily basis. Like you can earn commissions every minute. I'm just telling you. So you can make digital revenue from it. So this system gives you the opportunity to live your digital lifestyle. So you can do everything you want, and you can fire your boss with this system. I'm just telling you. So if you want to make money with this system, go ahead and click on the link below. So it's gonna bring you to this page right here. Over 1.2 million members. It's amazing. I am one of these members. So are you ready to start your digital lifestyle? Just go ahead and put your real email address, the email address that you are using right now, a real one. So, and then click submit, and it's gonna bring you to this page where you are going to have to put your name over here and put your email address over here. Please be honest and put your real details over here. If you want to have access to the free membership area, put your real name, your real email address, and create your account. So after you click on create your account, it's gonna bring you to a page where they sent you an email, and you should go and check it. Let me show you. You are going to receive an email like this, action required. You're gonna have to activate your Joomla account. So click right here, and it's gonna bring you to this page, Joomla Evolve, where you will have to create your free membership area. So write your email that you used to write on the opt-in form, and create your password. And after you've done that, create your membership. Click on activate your membership. It's gonna bring you to this page, to the members area, Joomla Evolve. So this is the members area, and here's the Joomla Evolve 5 minutes intro. You can watch this video first. So to become an elite member and start making money with this system, I suggest you go to all these steps over here, and there is going to be video training, where the founder of Joomla is going to teach you how to become an elite member with this system. So he's going to teach you step by step how to do it. What else to tell you? I guess this is it for now. So after you become an elite member, you will start making money with this system, like I did. So it's very simple, guys. Don't waste the opportunity, and go ahead and click on the link below.